Good morning, and thank you for attending this workshop. My name is Lionel Garrick. I am the Director of Legal Affairs, working under the Office of the Chief Justice. My role is essentially to introduce you to this media guidelines. The Chief Justice and the AG have explained in detail the need for these guidelines. And these guidelines are short, they are concise, so I will not take much of your time, except to point out just a few things. Now, if you look at page 1 of the guidelines, you have numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 are essentially a restatement of the access to justice, access to information requirements under the Access to Information Act. These are just a restatement of those principles which you have under this. Now the meat of the document is what you have in number 5. And under number 5, you have 9 principles which underpin the media guidelines. These are all listed out. You talk about the legal terms, you talk about accuracy of reporting and information. You talk about impartiality. We talk about media interviews, courtroom security and screening, closed sessions, filming and broadcasting, court access requests, and personal criticism of judges. Now, these 9 principles, as we are aware, they underpin the media access guidelines. And these are what, in actual fact, the members of the press and the media are to take note of. So these are quite self-explanatory. I don't know if I need to say more. Perhaps when we have the question and answer sessions, when the members of the press have gone through it, they might have 1 or 2 questions to ask me, and there will be a question and answer session sometime after this, where the press will have the opportunity to ask whatever they are not clear about in this, as far as these principles are concerned. So I won't take much more of our time. I know that the Chief Justice, the AG, the State Council, they are busy people, and they will need to go on with their presentation. After that, please go through these guidelines, and if you have any questions during the question and answer sessions, you will get an opportunity to ask the questions, and they will be answered. Thank you.